Konnichiwa, it's Nami from Just One Cookbook. Today I'm excited to share a recipe that was featured in Kodoku no Gurume. In this popular Japanese drama, the main character dines at real-life restaurants in Japan. In one of the episodes, the main character Goro-san enjoys this delicious ginger pork berry. Any variation of ginger pork got to be one of my favorite Japanese dishes. It's so easy to put together. Now let's get started. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Japanese recipes. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon in my next video. またね!